Well, hello, you awesome and amazing peeperoo. Do you wait for success to happen to you? I'm thinking not, because you're on this channel and you are an amazing peeperoo. So today is April 22nd, day 113, 253 days left in 2024. We are 30.87% complete. And what are we doing? I am doing my very best to help you find your purpose. So I'm reading every day a passage from Dr. Shad Helmstetter's book, 365 Days of Positive Self-Talk for Finding Your Purpose, because it's all about you. And I know my peeperoos are covered. See, we have peepers and peeperoos. You're a peeperoo, I'm a peeperoo, and then these are peepers. Okay, there, I have to put those back on. I don't have to, but it's sunshiny outside. So this is amazing. Look at, we're at a place called the Bluff Park. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this is the Smoky Jack Observatory. This is a dark skies community, and in West Cliff, Colorado, the first in Colorado. It's so amazing. So I'm gonna bring you back here, but many times I come out and I just sit here. See, they have little seats, and I just sit out and I look and enjoy the views with cows and antelope and deer and who knows what, horses, all kinds of things come back here. Hawks in the sky. I don't ever let our puppies loose, because that has happened before. Birds of prey come and go swoop. So we don't do that, but they are beautiful to watch. Okay, so April 22nd, happy Earth Day. And with me to celebrate Earth Day is my hijita, my very astrologer. I'm trying to say she loves to be in videos. Okay, she doesn't. Not her favorite. But today is day 113, 253 days left in 2024. I think I already said that, but look at this. We are 30.87% complete with 2024. What does that mean? That you still have 70% or 69 point some percent to find your purpose in life this year, if you want to do it. And hopefully you're really moving towards that now. And somebody wrote in the comments, it's Mila Alexa, and I don't know if it's Alexa or Mila, but just beautiful comment that she's an American in Ukraine and helping on her Instagram. Hopefully she'll put her Instagram address so we can all follow her. She's helping Ukrainians learn English. So I think that is so beautiful. You go, girly. Okay, so you are amazing. And so let's go ahead and read the passage for today. I don't wait for success to just happen or quietly hope for good fortune to come my way. When it comes to my success and finding my purpose in life, I choose it. I choose it. This is you speaking. These are your words. I choose it. I create it. I go for it, and I make it happen. And yes, you do. You create your own reality in life. You create the success in your life. These passages are just their self-talk. So in the description, you're going to find my link for 30 days free to get a self-talk app, to download that and start your self-talk so that you can find success in every single area of your life. And it's not you're finding it, ahoy, where's my purpose? Ahoy, where's my success? No, it's in here. You create it. You create your success by setting your goals. So let's see what Lynette has to say about that, because Lynette, as an astrologer, she uses that as a tool to help her, guide her, and she's helped me immensely with my goals and in my life, my journey in life, because the cosmic is so powerful. The planets, the tide, the moon, the earth, happy Earth Day, just moves us like the camera, the wind moving the camera. Whee! Okay, here she is with her wise words.
I don't have any wise words at the moment, but I can come up with something. I think that setting goals has been something that has been a challenge for me. I think there are very few people who actually have a 1 year, 5 year, 10-year plan. Everyone wants things in their life, but it's very hard to connect those dots like we were talking about yesterday. Astrologically, goal setting is a very Capricornian theme, very Saturnian in terms of providing structure in your life. But I think that's why the goal setting is a very practical way to achieve your dreams. One of my favorite astrological concepts is Neptune is dreams and imagination and creativity and all of these things, and Saturn is structure and responsibility and maturity, and oftentimes we don't think those two things go together, but astrologer Caroline Casey says that Neptune dreams the dream, and then Saturn lays the reality tracks for the train to go to achieve the dream. So I see the goal setting as the railroad tracks that help you actually achieve that spiritual dream, the purpose in your life. Those are my comments.
Wise words. These kinds of things just really help us. They are all tools to help us to set our goals and to achieve them. And you know, if you're looking at, and this is one of the reasons why I say that setting goals is a spiritual practice, and that's because, one, you're bringing from the invisible, you're creating the visible from the invisible, and it's such a beautiful thing. And when you have tools like astrology, when you can look at your chart and see what it is that's moving you. By the way, you chose your chart, so it's exactly what and where you need to be. You chose it, and whether you believe that or not, if you look at it, you'll see things will make sense to you when you understand your chart and the way the planets are moving and all of that. And this is a perfect topic for today, for Earth Day, is creating your own success in every area of your life. And it is through setting goals and achieving your dreams by dreaming big. We talked about that yesterday, as well as your dreams. And now we have Lynette's take as an astrologer. She's been doing this for many, many years, and as an astrologer, she helps to actually, I mean, her website is cosmicmoves.com, and it's these cosmic moves. And when you are in line with your own cosmic moves and the planets, it's another tool to guide you along, to help you see, like, wow, where in my chart, like, what house do I resonate with? So Lynette is an introvert, and it's really funny because I think she would say I'm an extrovert. I think I'm more, but I have, all my planets are above the horizon. I don't know all of them, but a lot of them, most of them, and hers are beneath the horizon. So we're almost complete opposite. And it's just a very interesting thing. So, and I never felt like I was a Virgo, which my sun sign is Virgo, and she's Aquarius, but she has, I have Aquarius rising and she has Virgo rising. We're like total opposite things. And then my planet's above the horizon, hers beneath. And it's just so funny that I hatched her. She's my little hatchie, my little chicken, who I love and adore. And it's just such a beautiful thing to be able to look at that and find that useful as a tool. So I hope that's helpful for you. I'm going to read the passage one more time so you can see my peepers, so that you know that I absolutely love you. It's a little bright out here, and there goes my coat blowing in the wind. Blowing in the wind. Okay, and this is you. Remember, this is, we're blowing in the wind here. So remember, this is you saying this book. These are your passages for you. So my little introvert daughter is going to stay with me here while her extrovert mommy reads the passage for you. I don't wait for success to just happen or quietly hope for good fortune to come my way. When it comes to my success in finding my purpose in life, I choose it. You choose it. I create it. You create it. I go for it. You go for it. And I make it happen. You make it happen. I love you so very, very mucho. You can do this. You can find your purpose. You can activate your purpose if you already know what your purpose is. And you may have more than one, but one overarching purpose that you want to help people. How do you want to help people? What is it you want to do? What in life do you want to do? And so so Mila Alexa, I believe her name, and I'm I'm assuming this is a her, but you know, helping people, children in the UK learn English. And huh?
Ukraine.
UK. I didn't say UK. I said Ukraine. It's a good thing she corrected me. It sounded like UK, but
UK. Most people speak English already.
Ukraine, and she's helping them with an Instagram project, which I'm so proud of her and so excited for her, and that she would comment and let me know that. It was like, wow, I just love this girly, this person, you know, this peeperoo. So thank you for sharing that, and thank all of you for sharing your comments when you do, even if it's a little heart. I love it all. It means, it's so meaningful to me, and I just want you to know that you can do this. I believe in you. You can find your purpose, and you are amazing. And as always, always shining my light to brighten yours. I love you so very, very much. I will see you tomorrow if the wind doesn't blow us out of here. Okay, I'm gonna give you one last look. I'll show you over here. Isn't that beautiful? And it goes and goes and goes. It's the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Sangre de Cristo, blood of Christ. Okay, I love you so much. Have an amazing day. Ciao.